two-stroke engine is basically an air pump, but an air pump that's not supposed to leak. And I build my engines not to leak. And I noticed this little drop of oil right down here. And I'm going, what is that leaking from? So I'm taking my trusty mirror. I can see some oil. I know you probably can't see it, but there's some kind of oil underneath there, and it shouldn't be there. And oil can cause a lot of electrical problems. Let's see, where is it? Oh, I can't see it that well. Anyway, I like to look at the back of the engine right here. Very back where the cylinder hits the case right there, and you can see the little blue. I want to see if maybe it came from there or the top, which wouldn't be oil. Engine oil usually comes from two places. If you have a crank that's out of round right here, even by a little tiny bit, it will drop a little bit of oil and get behind that flywheel and cause your top end power to lose. Or I could have a leak somewhere underneath here. I don't know. Could have gotten frozen, something could have gotten loose, but we'll see. Then I've been collecting decals for this year's painting. I've got a Polini one, and that might work out because my bike is blue. I've also got some Wiseco's that came with a piston that didn't fit. And here's a kind of a cool one. I don't know if I'll use that. But I got this from Auto Tattoos in Chevron Island. QLD, that must mean Queensland or something. Anyway, this is what I got from them. I didn't get all of them, but I got a couple of them. These are the Isle of Man TT races that have been going on for like 100 years. And people die during these races. They race around this island and they get up to like 200 miles an hour. Matter of fact, this bike has been banned from the TT races by the TT race committee because it's too damn fast. And I'm kind of pissed off about it, but I will forgive them if they'll let me race. I've got two of these Isle of Man, and see how I could put them on the front here where the Honda is. I'm not going to do that, but this is the one I got from that gentleman right there. Look at that, Isle of Man TT races. I want to put that one right there. Doesn't this sound cool? He's making this up as he goes along. You can do it all day, forever. And all I want is 10%. So these TT races, TT things, I may put like right there. I don't know. And then of course I'll re-clear everything. And the Polini, I may put, I don't know where I'll put the Polini. Maybe I'll put it up there. Well, we'll see. I have about a month before things really start to warm up. It looked cool. Well, I don't know. With decals, you got to be careful. You got to put them on to where your bike looks tasteful, clean, and dangerous, but not too gaudy or Filipino. Now, when I say Filipino, I don't mean that in any negative connotation. I say that out of utter respect. In the Philippines, when they do a car up or a bike and they bling it out, I mean, there is no one on earth that can beat a Filipino blinged out ride. Nobody. You'd see it for 2 miles away. absolutely amazing. But I just don't want to go that extreme. You know, God bless the Philippines too. They're great subscribers of mine, along with Australia and England and Antarctica and everywhere else all over the world. So that's what's happening in the shop today.